Hey everyone, Working Weston here, and today I'm going to show you how I pickle peppers. There may be a time in your life where you find yourself with too many peppers. What I like to do is pickle them. With that being said, let's get to work. What you're going to need are red peppers, a pot, a mason jar, a funnel, and a measuring cup, vinegar, sugar, salt, a bowl, knives, cutting board. First thing is to wash your peppers, get everything off you don't want to end up in your brine or your pickles. The next step is to prep your peppers. I cut the top off, compost it, cut the pepper in half, scoop the innards out with a spoon, take each half and cut them into thirds, flip those, cut them into thirds or quarters again. This gives me my perfect pickle. I used to do the strips, but I don't find that you could stuff the jars as full and you end up needing more brine and jars for the same amount of pickles. Next step is to clean your jars up. Sterilizing, I don't go crazy on pickles, I just boil some water and fill the jars up and let them sit in the sink. Then we're onto the brine, which is 5 cups of water, 3 cups of vinegar, 1 cup of coarse pickling salt, and 3/4 cups of sugar. You can leave the sugar out if you want, but I love sweet pickles, so I put it in. Put it all in a pot, set it to boil, and while that's happening, you could dump your jars out and start filling them. This is where the funnel comes in great help. Put it in the jar and start stuffing them. The important part here is to keep tapping to get all the peppers in, as many as you can. I even jam them in with my hand. If you don't, when you fill it with brine, the peppers will float up and leave a lot of space. Now that the brine's boiling, you can put your funnel back in and start ladling the brine in. You want to get it about 1/2 inch from the top, and as you're going, put your lids on. When it comes to the screw caps, it's not really important to do them tight, just enough to hold the lid on. Within a few hours, your lid should pop down. If they don't, put them in the fridge because they're not sealed up. And that's how I make pickled peppers. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this straightforward how-to video. If you did, and even if you didn't, please like and subscribe. Also, you can find my live streams at twitch.tv/workingweston. And with that being said, I gotta get back to work.